Today is a very exciting day, man. A day that I've been looking forward to. A day I bet we've all been looking forward to. But today we're going down to S&S, brother, where we're gonna be assembling the bottom end, man. I'm gonna do my absolute best to record everything that's going on. I'm gonna tell you right now, probably gonna be a lot of time-lapse type shit because this is gonna be a learning experience for me and I wanna be able to really pay attention so that I'm able to do all this, I'm able to do this process myself the next time. But Shiloh's going with us, so we gotta go and pick him up, and after we're done getting the engine all put together, we'll bring it back to the house, drop it off, and then I gotta go with Shiloh. We're gonna be towing his car over to Paul over at Sic Industries to go get some more work done. So we got a lot of shit to do today, man. Definitely gonna be an exciting day. I'm gonna do my best to record as much as I can. I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you smash that like button if you do, and if you're new here, please subscribe. And that's about it, man. Enough talking, dude. Let's get this fucking day started. See you later, Max. Alright guys, we just pulled up to S&S and I'm gonna get in here and get to work, dude, because I think that we're actually running a little bit late because of traffic. Wish me luck, and I'll see you guys when it's all done.
Going away?
See you out.
That's funny. So as you're leaving and going by, come back.
I appreciate it.
Work on more stuff. We got a lot of stuff here.
I'll definitely be back, man. I'll have to take a couple more days off. Just come out with you guys. Alright guys, the engine is back home, safe and sound where it belongs. We still have a whole lot of work to do on that thing, but it is now time to get the 2JZ Civic over to Paul at Sic Industries because gotta go get some estimates and see about getting some more work done. So we gotta get this thing towed over there, which should be exciting. I'm dying, bro. I'm dying. It's fucking hot. Out here pushing cars and it's fucking hot. Man. The engine, fuck. English much. That's a heavy fucking engine, man. God damn. Yeah, baby. We're gonna set a GoPro up right here so we can watch Shiloh on the way there and pick back up with you guys when we get the Pauls, man.
Hold up.
Well, it turns out that I am a complete failure once again and I forgot my damn GoPro once again. So I'm gonna fucking take my cell phone to the back window. Fuck it.
Alright, so the thing that we're going to get done this time is the transmission and drive shaft tunnel. So that's all tied together and I'll figure out what I'm going to wrap it in. The fuel cell, we need to do the hanger in the back. What else?
I want to speak up above that cooler.
Let me see this in person.
Okay.
So I got that all drilled out the way that I want it. But yeah, I'm gonna put some bar from here, and then I don't know, whatever you think is the best idea.
Okay.
Just, you know, this isn't gonna be the front of the car wheel.
Okay, let's just hold it on.
Yeah. So the holes are drilled here where I want it, and it's not sucked down all the way. So it's all welded up.
You got the drive shaft in. Nice, nice.
It's just drilled.
It's the nut.
I don't think they tapped it. Got him. Alright, let's go. Oh, thank you.
Later, brother.
Later.
Oh shit, slam. Alright guys, the 2JZ Civic is now, did I startle you? The 2J is with Paul in good hands where it should be because I don't think Shiloh or I, neither one, should be welding on this motherfucker. Anyhow, he's gonna be putting together some pretty much drawing up plans for the transmission tunnel, the drive shaft tunnel, seeing what he can do about, like as far as putting in a roll bar. And he's got to put in a hanger in the back for the fuel cell. Dude's got a lot of work he's got to get done over there, so there ain't no one better to do it other than Paul at Sic Industries. So now we need to get the hell out of here. Go get me something to drink, because I'm fucking thirsty. my garage got a lot fuller and Shiloh's garage got a lot emptier. Oh shit, man, what a day, bro. A lot of progress. Got my engine back. Paul's got Shiloh's car. I'm hot as fuck. Ready to go home and shower. Alright, Shiloh, I'm gonna hit the road, dog. It's been fun, brother.
Yeah.
I gotta get home and clean my garage and do a once over the engine. So.
Same shit.
Oh, fucking A. I'll see you guys back in the garage. The hell y'all doing?
We were playing football, but then yeah.
Alright guys, we are back in the garage, dude. I hope you guys are just as excited as I am. I know you fucking are. Dude, it's fucking game on, brother. This thing is set, it's ready to go. I mean, I still have a lot of stuff, a lot of parts that I have to kind of get together. I need oil pump, water pump, timing belt, head gasket. There's a lot of little stuff that I still have to get, dude. But we have the engine back. I gotta get the engine painted. There's a lot of stuff that we need to do. I'm gonna go through all my old boxes of Civic stuff that I have literally everywhere. I have to find my cams, my intake manifold. I gotta find all my shit, get it all cleaned up, get it all together. And then I'm most certainly gonna do a video basically going over everything that I have and everything that I still need to get. Just so you guys know what we're working with, you know what I'm saying? So most certainly smash that like button. Don't forget, please don't forget to order yourself some stickers. I could really use it about now. I have a lot of parts to buy, brother. I mean, I know it's 10 bucks for a fucking sticker, right? That's an expensive ass sticker. I'm gonna be straight up with you. But every single red set of that goes towards the build, dude. It helps with the channel, and I just want you guys to know how much it is I appreciate it, because a lot of you guys have ordered stickers, dude, and I don't think that I say it enough how much I appreciate how much you guys are helping me. And like Anthony, dude, Anthony buying those pistons for me, and a lot of you other guys have sent me parts. I mean, every single little bit of that. I would not be as far as I am on this build without you guys. I want you to understand that, dude. It really does mean a lot. I get messages from you guys all the time about how I motivate you and I motivate you guys with your builds. You guys motivate me just as much, dude, and I just want you to know that I most certainly appreciate it, and that's the reason why I like to do things like the giveaway. A lot of you guys have expressed to me how much you love this wing. Just you guys viewing, smashing that like button most certainly goes a long way as well. I'm gonna leave off with that, dude. Peace out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to get yourself on that customer list before the 27th.
I'll see you later. Yeah.